What's good, YouTube? KnewNeverYou here. So, not my typical setup. My fiance is watching TV, so I had to come to another room and open these bad boys up. Hopefully that won't be a problem as far as everything goes. So, we're not gonna waste no time. I just hope that I pull those diviners. And that Starlight Black Rose Dragon. Got 4 boxes today. If I pull that Black Rose, yo, bro, it's a wrap. Snap tight. Alright, let's move all these. That is 2 boxes worth of packs. So if you hear like a buzzer or a dinger or whatever, it's because she's watching TV. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. I'm not going over all the commons, and I'm not doing that because we're already late in the game and everybody's seen the commons at this point, so it's kind of pointless to even, let me go ahead and scoot this up, to even do the commons at this point because we've all seen them. So we're just gonna kind of speed through these 4 boxes. We got Brigade Bevram. Still got another 4 boxes on the way. Garden Rose Flora. I've already opened, I think, 3 boxes, maybe 4, and I've yet to pull that giant serpent of Goganda. Warrock Dignity. It's the first one of these. You know what? I guess I could read the hollows. It wouldn't hurt. This one I think I've already read though. Basically, I don't even know how to say his name, but 2 level 4s. You can attach 1 material from this card if you have more cards in your extra deck than your opponent and apply these effects in sequence, depending on the difference. 1+, this card gains 1,000 until your opponent's turn, to the end of your opponent's turn. 5+, neither player can target this card with card effects until the end of your opponent's turn. 10+, banish 1 card your opponent controls. 15+, make your opponent's life points 3k. So basically, if you were playing Pendulums or they were playing Monarchs. And I just dropped all these commons. I'm just messing up today. You know, it's not my normal setup, so I gotta make it work. I gotta move my camera around. But we adapt. And we make it happen, Captain. I can't even speak English. Oh, okay, this is it. Amazement Family Faces, super rare. Target 1 monster your opponent controls, equipped with an attraction trap. Equip this card to it. While this card is equipped to a monster, take control of the equipped monster. While you control the equipped monster, it gains 500 attack. You cannot activate its effects. It is also treated as an amazement monster. You can only activate this card once per turn. That's not too terrible. These comments are going to get in the way. I don't have another spot I can put them at the moment. Let's get it. ZW Dragonic Halberd, a rank 5 dragon. 2 level 5 monsters. Cannot attack directly. Once per turn, you can attach 1 material from this card. Add 1 Zexal spell/trap from your deck to your hand. You can target 1 Utopia monster you control. Equip this card to it. It gains 3,000 attack. When the equipped monster destroys a monster by battle, you can special summon to your field any number of ZW monsters equipped to it. That's pretty cool. I think the 3000 gain is probably one of the best parts of that effect. That's just kind of ridiculous. Amazement Precious Park Field Spell. During your main phase, you can activate one attraction trap to turn it. Whoa. You can activate one attraction trap the turn it was set. During the end phase, you can send one attraction trap you control equipped to a monster to the graveyard. Then target one of your attraction traps with a different name that is banished or in your graveyard. Set that card. This is good because Arlecchino, whatever you want to call him, he banishes cards or traps, the amazement traps, to pop stuff. So that basically recycles what he, banished to pop stuff. So I think that's a really good card. Branded in White. Fusion summon one fusion monster from your extra deck using monsters from your hand or field as material, including a dragon monster. You can also banish monsters from your graveyard's materials if you use Fallen of Albaz as a fusion material from your hand, field, or by banishing itself from your graveyard. During the end phase, if this card is in the graveyard because it was sent there to activate the effect of Fallen of Albaz this turn, you can set this card. You can only use this effect once per turn. Trying to read all this really dries your throat out. As weird as that sounds. Real Arona. This card's so pretty. She is a Ultra rank 4 spellcaster. Two level 4 spellcasters with different attributes. You can attach one material from this card, special summon one Magistus monster from your deck. Also, you cannot special summon monsters from the extra deck for the rest of this turn, except Magistus monsters. While this card is equipped to a monster, you can target one effect monster your opponent controls, negate its effects until the end of the turn. You can only use this effect of her once per turn. So people saying, it should have been a quick effect, which I get it, I understand. It probably should have been, but one of those things where it's not, and somebody's gonna figure out a way to use it. So once that time comes, I know I got my copies. Typically, I don't wait till people come up with combos, but because of the time restraints, sometimes, it just happens. Sun Avalon Melius, however you want to say it. It's rank 3. 2+ plant monsters, including a link monster. If this card is link summoned, you can special summon one Sunseed Genius Loki. Is that what it says? Loki? From your graveyard. This card cannot be targeted for attacks, but does not prevent your opponent from attacking you directly. Once per turn, you can target one Sunvine link monster you control that this card points to this turn. It can attack a number of times each battle phase. Up to the number of monsters you... Wow. That is crazy. So it lets you attack up to however many link monsters you control that are Sun Avalon monsters. That is kind of bonkers nasty. Alright, so we got most of the stuff out the way. We got S-Force Edge Razor is a level 4 Cybers. He is each of your opponent's monsters in the same column as one of your S-Force monsters could not be used for a link summon of a link 3 or higher monster. If this card is normal summon or special summon, I don't understand why they just don't say summoned. But anyway, you can special summon one S-Force monster from your hand in attack position, except for this card. You can only use this effect of this card once per turn. Yeah, to shorten some of the text, I just don't understand why they don't say if this card was summoned. Please be my secret rare or starlight. I don't want to have one of these boxes where it doesn't come with a secret or starlight. Ooh, ready. I pulled one of these the other day, but I'm always happy to have two. Black Rose is my favorite Signer Dragon. Let's just go ahead and sleeve this. I think this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 Fire Dragon. 32, 24. This card is synchro summon. You can banish all cards from the graveyards. Then, if this card was synchro summon using the Black Rose or a plant synchro monster as material, you can you can destroy all other cards on the field. When your opponent activates a card or effect that would destroy a card's quick effect, you contribute this card, negate the activation. Then you can special summon one Black Rose from your extra deck or graveyard. So basically, if you use Black Rose to blow up the field, special summon Black Rose back somehow, and then go into that, you could banish the graveyard, blow up everything else on the field, and then if they try to do something else, you can negate it and bring back your Black Rose, banish a plant monster, make a monster attack, go to the attack position. And did I miss it? I did. Make the attack go to 0. And I mean, it's a nasty effect. Bujin Torafun. Level 4 Beast Warrior. You contribute this card, special summon 2 Bujin monsters with different types from your deck in defense position, except for this card. When you exeese a Bujin exeese monster while this card is in your graveyard, you can equip this card to it. Any monster destroyed by battle with that equipped monster is banished. What? You can only use this effect of each. You can only use each effect of Bujin Torafun once per turn. So this is like Whiptail for Bujins. Wow. Wow. Bujin Whiptail. Basically. Whiptail. Whoop, 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 whoop. There it is. Alrighty. Rank up Magic Zexal Force. Target one Xyz monster you control. Special summon from your extra deck one Utopia or ZW monster. You know what? I'll just put it here for like 10 seconds so you can read it. Because if I read everything that I pull, we're going to be here for years. And we know in the Yu-Gi-Oh community, the only reason we watch these is to see what holos we get. I think this is my 3rd copy of this. Now I got to start pulling some of those horror houses because I don't think I've pulled any. And that is quite depressing. This card is ridiculous. This card and the dark one, whenever the dark one comes out, is gonna break the game. You could literally play every Charmer in the Amazement deck because of that Snatch Steal card. Ruddy Rose Rich. Ruddy Rose Rich. Ruddy Rose Witch. But yeah, Lina, that card that's probably the best Charmer. We don't have Dark yet, so she is by far, in my opinion, the best one. We got another Melius. Man, it's gonna suck sorting all these commons. Sweet, I think this is my 3rd copy of this. I'm just so excited this is a super because it's pink. Pinks makes you thinks. Gotta be careful. I'm gonna figure out a way to break this card because it's a fairy, and with me being the king of the fairies, by my own mantra, I have to figure out how to break that card and every other fairy. But first, I thought there was a starlight the way the light shimmered. I think I have 3 of these now. It's a good card. It's just, it's one of those ultras that when you pull it, you're like, okay. Spriggan's Merrymaker. I got to sit down and look at Spriggans. I got to sit down and look at a lot of things. It's just so many things right now that are coming out that I don't think a lot of people are paying attention to. Like this card. This card summons Ecclesia for free. Any charmer for free. And I think it also summons the fairy tale cards, if I'm not mistaken. I know they have 1850 attack. I'm not sure of the defense. But that card is just disgusting. Edia. Oh, great. The one that nobody wants to pull. Well, I pulled it, so we're here now. Let me move. Let's see. Make some room. Put these commons. All right, there's one box. There is. We can move these up here. Next box. We got another Edia, the Sun Magician. I don't think I gotta let it sit there long enough for you guys to pause it and read it if you wanted to. Really just looking for diviners. We've got another Bujin Torafun. There we go. Amazement Attraction Horror House. First one. I got a homie that's trying to build this deck, so I gotta try to build. I gotta try to pull 6 copies just in case he doesn't pull any for trade fodder. Rank up Magic Zexal Force. You know, and with me trying to slowly open up a card shop, I gotta figure out a way to mitigate how much I spend. I don't even know if that's the right word, but I basically have to figure out a way to make every card count as far as money. Every card count as far as sales. I gotta make it happen, or else I am doomed to fail. And I don't want to fail. I don't want to not have card shop. I know it's a lot of work, but you know, it'll open some doors to some other avenues that I would like to take. So, Sun, Avalon, and Melius, do what you got to do to get where you want to be, and hopefully we'll be blessed with great pulls and great card shop. Amazement, Precious Park, Field Spell. 4 more packs out of this half of the box. Amazement Attendant Comica. I ordered these too early. They went down to $1. I ordered mine for 2 apiece, just in case I didn't pull anything. Even though I bought 11 boxes, you can never be too certain of what you're gonna pull, because you don't know if it's a random box. Are they pulling it from a case? Are they pulling it from 8 different cases? You just never know. Merrymaker. And it looks like all my secrets are at the bottom. I hope it's a secret here. I don't want a box with just 1 secret. That's okay. I bought 3 of these, so I can use this for trade, or if it goes up in price, I could sell it. So not too bad. Still looking for those diviners though. Still, this would be, if I don't pull one out of this one, out of this box, this would be 5 boxes that I've opened. No diviner. Sorry. Another Tri-Brigade. Alright, let's my second copy of this, I think. Not on this video, but in total. And as you see, I still hadn't pulled the snake. Almost 5 boxes, and there's only 2 cards I haven't seen. 3. Okay, never mind. There's a few. I hadn't seen Dark Honest, the snake, the super rare snake, the quick play, lunar eclipse, Book of Moon. I've got 1 Arlecchino. I got a few of these, so I just need 3 Diviner of the Heralds. That's all I'm asking for. Everything else I feel like I can get fairly easy. But if I don't get 3 Diviner of the Heralds out of 11 boxes, I would probably have to just buy singles. Buy boxes to sell, you know, to keep the business going, but buy singles for myself. I like this card. It's a level 2 Aqua Monster. Just keep that in mind. I'm not gonna tell you why to keep it in mind. Just do. Just keep it in mind. Branded in white. Let's see, we got what? 1, 2, 3 packs left. And that'll be box number 2. Come on, Diviner. Diviner, baby. Diviner and Black Rose. Black Rose Starlight. Ugh. Move Beta Fafnir. That's not what I wanted. I'll take it, but it's not what I wanted. It makes me sad. I already got one of these. I mean, I guess I need 2, but I guess that's fine. It gets old real quick when you buy so many things of something and you really only just want a few cards and you just don't get anything that you want, if that makes sense. Because I only have 4 more secrets. Oh, okay. Did need another one of him. I'll take this. I just really want those Diviners. I bought 2 Dark Honest already just because I'd rather have 3 Diviners than 3 Dark Honest, and I like Honest. But $12, $13 versus 75 bucks, that's a little much. Mysteria and the Dragon Crown. I bought so many of these. That card's gonna be ridiculous. Mark my words. Mark my words. And I'm gonna have a bunch of these just because this card is damaged. I'll probably use that one for my personal use then. I want to give everybody that buys from me near mint or as close as near mint as possible. This one damaged? No. Okay. So that's already pulled my secret from this side. Branded in white. Still be a long day when I gotta sort these. Elias, Melius. Dang, this is the first one we've seen. And this would be third box, the first one we've seen in 3 boxes. This is my third S-Force chase. Yay. Got my play set for that. Precious Park. I know they said that stuff isn't short printed anymore, but as everyone's noticed, I still hadn't pulled a Serpent of Golconda. I still haven't pulled Diviner of Harrow. I really don't care about that Book of Moon card. It'll get cheaper and I can buy a playset of that. I'd rather have expensive over inexpensive because, well, here's the thing. Warrock Dignity. I know that Diviner eventually is going to get reprinted, but like I said, I'm the king of the fairies. I want all my fairies max rarity. All of them. That's the only thing I care to have max rarity. Everything else is just whatever. Fairies, though, near and dear to my heart. Very near and dear to my heart. That and, of course, Black Rose. I'm getting so pissed off about this. This is just... It's not like I'm pulling bad cards. It's just... I don't need that card. But I guess there's somebody somewhere that's like, I would kill to pull how you're pulling. I mean, I understand that. I really do. But if you just understood how bad I wanted those heralds. I guess when I see a snake is when I'll get a herald. Ooh, no, trash. You go. Ooh. Upside down. Okay. We got a bunch of amazements stuff. 2 more packs out of this box. Theron. Spring and Merrymaker. All right, last box. Then I got to do another video when my other 4 boxes come in. 1 second. Put these comments to the side. Hope they don't fall. All right. Let's do it to it. Scoot these up. I'm just going to speed through this one. We've, at this point, seen everything but a handful of cards. Scrap Raptor is heavily damaged. Warrock Spirit. Matter of fact, I've only pulled 3 of those. See, it's getting to the point where they say things aren't short printed, but I mean, you can only pull That's not. Never mind. There are cards we hadn't seen. In this video, anyway. I forgot that card was even in this set. Merrymaker. Okay. Thrawn. That means the other Ultra is probably the other Trap Trick. That's usually how it's been going for me. If I pull the Link Trap Trick, then I would pull the Effect Trap Trick. We will see though. Try to keep this video under 40 minutes. That's the goal. First one on this video for this one. Zexal Construction. Let's see. We got one secret and one ultra. Albion. Okay, so we can still pull that other Trap Trick. Still got two more ultras. Two secrets. Edia. You know what? Just in case, I'm gonna have faith in myself. Just go and get some sleeves ready. Just in case we pull a Starlight and a Diviner. Oh, we pulled a snake. First snake. I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm happy about this, but this is the first one I pulled. Oh boy. First snake out of basically half a case. Well, there's that last Arlecchino. Play set of that. So I can build this deck if I, well, no, I'm still missing whorehouses. I still need two more Supreme Golgondas. Supreme Sovereign Golgonda. The first one of this we've seen. It'd be crazy if like my last 4 boxes are just like nothing but diviners. Nothing but diviners. Like just the whole box of diviners. Like 600 some odd diviners. I'm rich. That's Force Chase. Got an extra copy of that. You know, I guess I shouldn't complain. So I'm sorry for complaining. You know, I'm blessed enough to have money to even buy these, to even not pull what I'm asking for. So I guess it's all perspective, you know, and I never know what's going to be worth something. I never know what somebody's going to need, you know, so I need to do better about that. Be thankful for what I have and what I'm able to obtain. That's the important part. And that's what I don't need to lose sight of. So forgive me. Trash is getting a little heavy. Heavy D. Branded in white. As soon as they announce the Mega 10, like what's the cards in the Mega 10, I'm probably gonna go pick up the Dogmatica stuff and Secret Rare, all the stuff that I'm missing. This is the first one that we've seen out of these boxes. Where are you, Mr. Snake? This card's so pretty. I like pretty cards. How many we got left? 4? Okay. Second Sage. Alright. Guess we about to pop open that Starlight Black Rose here soon. First Warrock Winto. Yeah. Starlight Black Rose right here. Ready Rose. It is not Starlight. Is she telling me that the Black Rose is in here? That wink. That one-eyed wink. Ooh. Let me slow down. It's a Ready Rose. She was telling me something. That's my third copy of Ruddy. So that means that my Black Rose is in here somewhere. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this part of my 8-box opening. I'm gonna probably speed through the next one as well, just because I don't want to waste your time. Because it's a lot. And I'll probably go ahead and go and open up the boxes so it's just a pack. So I save a little time on that part. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I will catch you on the next one where I open up more Lightning Overdrive. This is KnewNeverYou. And if you didn't know, now you do.